In this video, we are taking some more questions on special series type 1. Now you can see the questions are: find sum of first n terms of the series 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus so on up till n terms. In the second, we are having 1 into 2 into 3 terms product, and the third and fourth the same. In the previous questions, we were having the given general term. Here we are not having the general term. We have to follow the algorithm. We first recognize the pattern. We will recognize the pattern and we will write the general term on our own, and then apply the sigma operator to find Sn and use of the formula special series. Let me take one by one these questions. The first one is, we are given Sn. Let me write this as Sn as 1 into 2, this is into, you may write this way or that way, plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 and so on up to n terms. We may not leave here because it will go on up till infinity otherwise. If we want to write this, I can write as up to n terms. Now to recognize the pattern, you can see over here, these all 1, 2, 3 natural numbers going by increased by 1, and here 1 into 2, here 1 plus 1, here also plus 1, here also plus 1. So we can recognize the pattern. In first term there is 1, 2, and so in nth term, if I write Tn, that will become n, and plus 1 the product n plus 1. So we are having the n square plus n by taking simplification. So Sn will become sigma operator on Tn, that will be your sigma n square plus n. So this is again we have sigma n square plus sigma n. We have these formulas, and simply if I substitute the formulas, use that, and plus n into n plus 1 by 2, and simplify the expression by taking common n into n plus 1 by 2, 2n plus 1 by 3 plus 1, and we are having n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 3 by 6, that becomes n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3. So we have got Sn in terms of n as this. N is any natural number. Suppose I want to find the sum of this series for 10 terms, and then I will just substitute n as 10 and we will be getting S10 as 10 into 11 into 12 by 3. So this 3 4s are 440. So this will be the answer. So now how to verify? First of all, this Tn you must check by writing, simplifying. This was the very simple question. So this is we have written in a minute. But sometimes we have to recognize the pattern and check. See, if I write T1 here, this T1 will become 1 square plus 1, that is 2. And you can see 1 into 2. And then T2 if I write, this is 2 square plus 2, that is your 4 plus 2, 6. And you can see the second term is 6 here. So if I check 2, 3 terms there, and this is your 3 square plus 3, 12, and this is also 12. So I can see our Tn general term is okay, verified, and same way I can also verify our Sn. How? If I take 3 or 4 terms, let me take S4. So if I take 4 terms, that becomes sum of those 4 terms is 4 into 5 into 6 by 3 is 40. And now if I take all the 4 terms from here, this is first term is 2 plus 6 plus 12 plus 20. So again you can see that this is your 40 from the given series as well. So if it is satisfied for some value, maybe 3, 4 or 5, you can substitute and check your answer on your own. Let us move to the second part. Although we have done this part in the previous video, you can recognize the pattern and see this is your actually Tn as 1 into 2 into 3. This this is the product of three natural numbers, consecutive natural numbers. So in nth term will be n plus 1 and n plus 2. Now you must have seen the previous video to solve this type of expression in which nth term was already given this. So actually this is the same question you will do on your own. I will be taking the third. This is for second term and do it on your own. Now I will take the third. This is your Sn as again 3 into 8 plus 6 into 11 plus 9 into 14 and so on. This is again up to n terms. Suppose the pattern is not clearly written in the form of n. So I will use some of the pattern follow like this. This is 3, 6. All the first terms they are 3, 6, 9, etc. So you may write this is nth term of the sequence 3, 6, 9, etc. into, and the other one is 8, 11 and then 14. So this is again nth term of 8, 11, 14, etc. So nth term, this Tn, will be the product of nth term of this sequence and into nth term of this sequence. Now you can see that this is actually 3 into 1, this is 3 into 2, this is 3 into 3. Or you may see this is an AP. This is forming an AP with first term 3 and common difference also 3. Here also you can see this is forming an AP with first term is 8 and common difference is your 3. So we can use the formula An for AP as A plus n minus 1 into t. Right? So this is nth term of this sequence will become, this is 3 into n. Simply 3 into 1, 3 into 2 I may write this way or using this formula. And this is further, or you may also check that this difference is always plus 5. This is also plus 5. This is also plus 5, etc. So the another term will be 3n plus 5. Or if you want to apply this AP, for an will become 8 plus n minus 1 into 3 with the help of this formula. So this is 8 plus 3n minus 3. This is 3n plus 5. Any other way you can apply this, recognize the pattern and verbally you can do. Now this after simplification 9n square plus 15n. So Sn will become now sigma Tn and that is sigma over 9n square plus 15n. So this is your 9 times sigma n square. We use the properties of sigma operator. Constant can be taken out of the sigma sign and we have here special series formulae. Make use of those formulas. This is 9 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 and plus 15 into n plus 1 by 2. Now you can see if I want to simplify, this is 3 by 2, this is 3n plus 1 by 2, all this thing is common. So we are left with 2n plus 1 plus 5. So we are left with 3n plus 1. This is 2n plus 6, 2 common, n plus 3, 2 and 2 getting cancelled, and we are left with this as the answer for this part. So again you can verify as we have discussed in earlier question. You can check your answer or you can check your term as well with the help of substituting n as some number, say 2, 3. Now let me take the last part for this question. That is your 3 into 1 square. This again the given series Sn, let me write, this is 4-part solution. 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 2 square plus 7 into 3 square and so on up till n terms. So now, can you see some pattern over here? Just observe the things first. This 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. And then here in first term we are having 1 square. Then second term 2 square. Third term 3 square. So nth term will be n square. So this is where Tn will become they are start again the odd natural number but starting with 3. Or you may write nth term of AP, which is your 3, 5, 7, etc. This is the into 1 square is n square, or nth term of 1, 2, 3 and then square. Or you may write like this, nth term of AP 1, 2, 3 and it's a square. If you want to write it in language first and then apply nth term of AP again using this formula, we can simply get this as 2n plus 1. You all know if the natural numbers, odd natural numbers starting with 3, that means 2n plus 1 nth term, and if they are starting with 1, then that means 2n minus 1. And this is your n square. So this is 2n cube plus n square. Now when we have got the generic term in terms of n, then I can always apply Sn as sigma En. And this is your sigma 2n cube plus n square. Actually we want to have, this is 2k cube plus k square, k running from 1 to n. This and this have the same meaning. You can write in any of the way. 2 times sigma k running from 1 to n k cube plus sigma k square k running from 1 to n. Now this is your 2n, n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is the formula we have studied, and here also n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So what we are getting after simplification, n into n plus 1 by 2 getting common, we are left with n into n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 by 3. So if I simplify this as n plus 1, and this is yours 3n square plus 3n plus 2n plus 1 by 3 to the 6. So we are left with n plus 1, 3n square plus 5n plus 1. If it can be further factorized, you can simplify and get the answer, and always verify your answer at Tn as well and as well as